Hello, I'm Nirja, an Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. Welcome to today's video on the transformative powers of daily routines in Ayurveda. In the fast paced world that we live in, finding balance can feel challenging, but Ayurveda offers a simple solution called Dinacharya, or the practice of daily routine. Today, we will explore how small, mindful habits can transform your physical, mental, and emotional well being. From morning rituals to evening wind downs, these practices align you with nature's rhythms. And when we live in harmony with these cycles of nature, we experience better digestion, more energy, reduced stress, and improved resilience, to name a few. So, whether you are a busy professional, a parent juggling with multiple responsibilities, or a student, or simply someone looking to feel more grounded and energized, these daily routines can easily be integrated into your life, no matter how busy it may seem. With intention and consistency, small steps can lead to big changes. Daily wellness routines are not just habits, they are intentional practices that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. So let's start by discussing some of the physical benefits. Number one is enhanced energy levels. Simple habits like exercising regularly, staying hydrated, and eating balanced meals can significantly increase your energy and help you stay active throughout the day. Number two is better sleep. Evening routines like a digital detox, listening to soothing music, or setting sleep intentions can improve sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Number three is improved digestion. Incorporating mindful eating and drinking hot water after meals, for example, can support your digestive health, which is a key aspect of wellness according to Ayurveda. Number four is enhanced immunity. Regular practices such as oil pulling, self massage, and using nasya oil can strengthen your immune system and improve overall vitality. Now, let's look at some other things. Other than the physical daily routines, have a powerful impact on mental and emotional well being. Number one is reduce stress. Practices like meditation, mindful breathing, and setting clear intentions can reduce anxiety and bring a sense of calm. Number two is increasing focus. So, beginning your day with clear goals and reflection helps sharpen your mental clarity and increases productivity. Number three is increasing positivity. So, regular gratitude journaling and engaging in joyful activities bring a positive outlook on life. Number four is emotional resilience. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily practices strengthens your ability to handle challenges with grace and emotional balance. Now, what are some tips for implementing these practices? So, it might feel overwhelming, but it is all about progression, not perfection. So, there are some tips that you can use that will help you get started. So, number one is prioritize your wellness. Treat your wellness routine like important appointments. Taking out time for yourself is essential. Number two is stay consistent. Use reminders, set realistic goals to stay on track. And consistency is the key to seeing long term benefits. And number three is be flexible. Adjust your routines as needed if and life changes and your wellness practices can evolve with it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video has inspired you to start incorporating daily wellness routine into your life. Remember, transformation happens through small, consistent actions, whether it is a morning stretch, mindful eating, or a calming evening practice. Each practice brings you closer to balance and well being. If you found this video useful and helpful, please share it with others who may benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more Ayurvedic tips on living a holistic and healthy life. Thank you.